This video, I will show you how to consolidate your Pinduoduo order and ship with Skycargo using shipping method. So here is the Skycargo right here, and all order has been successfully delivered. So if I open up my Pinduoduo app right here, and then you see all order after we have purchased it, I click on my profile right here, and I go ahead and simply click on my transit right here. So you see all the order right here. Okay, all this order here has been purchased with Skycargo Consolidate address, and we are going to consolidate everything and send the product out of China to Nigeria using shipping without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So I'm going to assist from here, and likewise, if you would like to check a tutorial video on how I purchase all these products on Pinduoduo with Skycargo shipping consolidated address, you can check the description of this video and watch how I place order for all these products right here. So let's go ahead and assist from Pinduoduo, and next thing we want to do is to proceed with Skycargo app right here. So I'm going to open up my Skycargo app. Okay. Now, when you open up your Skycargo app, next thing you want to do is to go to console right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go to package list. So under the package list, you have everything right here. So these are all the goods successfully delivered to the Skycargo warehouse address right here. Okay. So once you are sure that everything has been successfully delivered, the next thing to do is to consolidate and send out of China. So for that, I'm going to send out all these products right here from China to Nigeria using shipping Skycargo consolidated parcel. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on to delivery right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on next right here. Then here, we want to make sure we choose shipping method right here. So under the shipping method, there are 4 different types of sea shipping right here. The first one here is Sea Lagos normal goods, which take about 50 to 70 days. Sea Kano normal, 50 to 70 days. Sea Lagos sensitive, 50 to 70 days. And likewise, Sea Kano sensitive, 50 to 70 days. Now, if you find out that some of your goods are sensitive, you need to make sure you choose sensitive. So in my own case, all my goods here are normal goods. So I'm going to choose Sea Lagos normal right here. Just like so. And the next thing you want to do right here is to choose your warehouse address, where you will need to pick up the goods when the goods eventually arrive Nigeria. So I'm going to choose Lagos Airport warehouse right here. Now you can see now that Sea Lagos normal goods has been indicated, and the goods will arrive between 50 to 70 days. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and click on delivery right here. Please confirm your shipping method by here or see. Once confirmed, it cannot be changed. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and hit on confirm. Success. And then by the time I click on return, all the product has been furnished from here. So next thing you want to do here is to wait for tracking detail, consolidated fee, and the amount you are going to pay if eventually the goods arrive in Nigeria by sea shipping. In the next video, I'm going to make detail about it. So continue to follow this process on how to source, ship products from China using Pinduoduo, Skycargo, or any other logistics company. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.